Okay, so this problem, we're going to find an annuity, the amount after the last deposit, and it's very similar to the problem in the last video, just some things have changed. We've decided to put in $100, because I told you it wasn't enough money. Okay, so now we're going $100 each at the beginning of every month. We're going to go longer for 10 years. And the fund earns 9% annual interest. So that's the APR, and it's compounded monthly. And it's paid at the end of each month. How much is the account right after the last deposit? Okay, so we're going to start out with $100, right? That's going to be our A sub 1. Now, we're going to have the ratio. Okay, so it's 9%, but it's compounded over 12 years. So what's 9 divided by 12? 9 divided by 12, which is 0.75%. So we've got to change that to 0.0075. Make sure you give the right number of decimals. But then you have to add the 1 to it, okay, to get the ratio. So the ratio is going to be 1.0075. Okay, so that's important. And then the other thing is, well, how long are we doing this for? 10 years, but it's every month. So 10 years times 12 months in a year. So the N is going to be 120. And obviously we're not doing this by hand. Okay, so what is the sum formula? It's the sum of 120. Oh, let me put the formula first. Sorry. The sum of N is equal to A sub 1 times 1 minus R to the N over 1 minus R. And then we'll put in the parentheses. I keep doing that just so you can have them, so you can see them. Okay, so we're going to find S sub 120. A sub 1 is 100. It's going to be 1 minus, then that ratio is 1.0075 to the power of 120. Okay, and I forgot to put in the extra parentheses. There they are. And then we're going to divide by 1 minus 1.0075, and I need those parentheses. Okay, so off to the calculator we go. I'm going to stop the video. You go ahead and do it on your calculator, and then I'll come back with the answer. I'll do it on mine, and I'll come back with the answer. Okay, so I get the total to be $19,351.40. It's going to round up 43 cents. Okay, so there you go. And then you could figure out how much interest was earned if you wanted to, but they just asked for the amount.